everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a spooky season look because 'tis the season. I know it's only September, but October is right around the corner and there are no rules this year because 2020 is a mess and I'm not letting my Halloween spirit go. We have had enough of bad things happen and there are more bad things happening right now. So hopefully everybody's staying safe, especially my West Coast subscribers. Please be safe. And I hope you all are doing okay. I know Oregon and California are super apocalyptic looking right now, and hopefully everyone's doing okay. So yeah, but that being said, today I'm doing a spooky look. I'm doing a black and orange Halloween colored inspired look, mostly with drugstore products. So if you guys want to see how I do this, just keep watching. So I already have my eyebrows done just because I wasn't sure how blocking them out and coloring them in was gonna work. But it actually worked really well just using my white NYX base and a little paintbrush that I have for body painting. I just created the shape of the brow I wanted and then filled them in with eyeshadow. And because my brows are so incredibly thin and they're really light right now from the summer, I was able to do it pretty easily. So, done. I'm going into the Orange Glad palette from ColourPop. I'm going into the color Sunkissed right here with a big fluffy brush. And we're just going to use this kind of as our crease slash transition color. This is a like orange, not like a peach or a, I'm trying to think, like other than peach. I don't know, it's just like a true Halloween orange, like a pumpkin color. I'm just blending this so there are no harsh edges. This to be pretty dramatic, but I want the like amount of color I'm putting on to be very limited to a particular palette. I don't want to get too much orange so that it takes over the black, but I don't want too much black that there's no color at all. So make sure if you're going to do this look, you extend your oranges up so they have their little moment in the sun. I'm going to go in with a black color. This is my Makeup Revolution Tammy X collaboration, and we are going to pack the matte black color on our lids with a dense packing brush. I'm going to start on the outside of my eye using just a little bit at a time and focusing mainly on the lid with this brush. We'll use a different kind of brush for the rest of the look. But we just want to pack. Black works really, really good at giving you a lot of color payoff in a very short amount of time. So it doesn't take too long to build up. This brush is also one I got from Sephora. It was actually like a little travel set of brushes. That's why it's so small. It's a little bit tapered at the edge, so I can really get in there and get like down into my inner corner and then up right along the orange. Now I'm going to take a little blending detail brush like this and we're just going to blend out the edges of the black so that it fades nicely into the orange without getting overly muddy, because it can really easily do that with this look. I don't want to blend it so much that it disappears, but you know, just a nice fade. Now back into the Orange Glad palette, I'm going to take a little bit of Clementine on a very small brush. This is their glitter, and we're just going to pop this right in the center of our eyelid. So kind of create like a little triangle with it so that it's really sparkly. This is like a chunky pressed glitter, so it is going to give you a lot of payoff, and the chunks are kind of like octagonal, so they're an interesting shape as well. I wish they came out with one that had like little pumpkin glitter. That would be adorable. I'm going to take a little bit of Tangerine Dreams on the same brush, so there's a little bit of residual glitter, and pop that in the inner corner, just so we have a little bit of orange shine. And with these, I always press them with my finger as well, so that they are nice and set into their spot. I threw on some lashes, which I definitely think helped bring the look out a little bit more. You can still see the glitter in behind them. These are the Ardell Double Wispies. So now we are going to add a little bit of black onto the bottom lash line with a pencil brush, just because I want the black to be really prominent in this look. I'm going to take a little bit of the orange out of this Tammy X palette and put this underneath as well. I'm going to powder my face with the Fit Me Matte and Poreless now that my foundation is dry. I really like this for right here under my eyes and also over my scar, just because it just gives me a little more coverage in that area. Takes away the shine and helps me cover up my bruising and my plate a little bit. I'm gonna contour like normal, Physicians Formula Nude Wear Bronzer. Highlight, I'm gonna use this stick NYX highlight in, I forget the name of the color, Lavender Lust. And sometimes this will take your foundation off if you do too much. So I'm gonna use my finger to kind of put it on. I'm not putting a lot. I just really like it on the tip of my nose. My Cupid's bow, when I do bright looks like this. So yeah, just something easy like that. Just a couple dots to bring up the cheekbones. Then I'm gonna take my Coven Cosmetics lipstick. I love this lipstick. This is in Ritual, which is black. If you guys don't know, Coven Cosmetics and I are partners, so I am one of their mavens. So if you guys want to get this lipstick, try it out, whatever, or try out some of their other lipsticks, they have beautiful colors, especially for this time of year. Click my link down below and use my code and you will get some money off your order. And it does give me a little bit of commission. This is kind of like a satin and then it dries matte. So this is just one coat and it's that dark. Favorite black lipstick ever. Since I always do matte looks, I figured I would throw a gloss on this. This is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Gloss. Look at that wand. There's like barely any transfer on there. So that is the end of my spooky season look with all my black and orange. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I look like my pillow back there. If you guys did, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I got a whole lot of spooky looks coming up for the rest of this month. I have my princess series wrapping up and Halloween is fast approaching, kids. 31 days is happening. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, get ready. We're gonna have a good time. So I will see you guys in the next one.